Hey students, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE DA 2026, question number 41. Consider a table employee ID, team ID, where column employee ID is ID of the employee is the primary key. Here employee ID is the primary key. The column team ID denotes the team ID of team of which the employee is a member. Team ID is a not null column. We want to display the size of team denoted by team size in which each employee is a member by using SQL. As an example, the desired output for the given employee table is also shown in tabular form. Which of the following is or are correct? This is the output. Output should come like this: employee ID and team size. And 4 options are given. We need to check which option will give this output. Now option A, select E employee ID, B team size. From employee as A, there is a inner query. First we'll execute the inner query. Select team ID, count team ID as team size. So in the inner query there will be 2 attributes. One is team ID, another is team size. From employee, group by team ID. We'll do grouping by team ID and this is our B. So in inner query output, there will be team ID 8, 7, 9. How many times 8 is there? 8 is there 3 times. So for 8, team size will be 3. For 7, it's 2. For 9, it's 1. Now this is the output of inner query. Next, we need to compare E.TeamID with B.TeamID. So this team ID will compare with this team ID. If it will match, we'll write the team size. Now for 1, 8, team size is 3. So for 1, team size will be 3. For 2, team ID will be match. It will be 3. For 3, team ID is 8. It will be 3. Now for 4, team ID is 7. For 7, team size is 2. Next for 5, team ID is 7. Team size is 2. For 6, team ID is 9. Team size will be 1. So it will give this output. Hence option A is correct. Inner query will give us output as 8, 3, 7, 2, 9, 1 as team ID and team size. And in outer query, for each employee with team ID 8, team size will be 3. With team ID 7, team size will be 2. Team ID 9, team size will be 1. So this is correct. This will be our inner query output. This is our B. Next, we'll check option B. Select A employee ID, count B team ID as team size. So in output, there will be employee ID and team size. So output attribute match. From employee as A, employee as B, we are creating 2 alias for employee. One is A, another is B, where A team ID equals to B team ID and A employee ID equals to B employee ID, group by employee ID. Here it's written group by employee ID. Hence, for each employee, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for each employee ID, its size will be 1 as it's written group by employee ID. Here what it is doing, it is just creating 2 alias. One is A, another is B. For each employee ID, we'll just match both team ID are matching, both employee ID are matching, and we'll do group by employee ID. Hence, this is false. For each employee ID, team size will be 1. Next option C, select B employee ID, B team size. From select employee ID, count team ID as team size. From employee, group by employee ID as B. So the inner query will give output as select employee ID, count team ID as team size. There will be employee ID, team size. From employee, group by employee ID as B. So this whole thing will give all the employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count team ID. For 1, it will be 1. As it's written group by employee ID, how many times 1 is there? 1 is just once. So for all, output will be 1. Now this is the inner query output. Next in outer query also employee ID and team size. So it will be same. Due to same reason, option B and option C are false as it's written group by employee ID. Next we'll check option D. Select A employee ID, B team size from employee as A. So this is our outer query. Next inner query. Select count team ID as team size from employee group by team ID as B, where A team ID equals to B team ID. Let's run the inner query. So select count team ID as team size. So in inner query, team size will be output from employee group by team ID. So here it will be 3, 2, 1. So inner query output will be this. Team size 3, 2, 1. Here it's written select count team ID as team size. So in output there will be just team size. Next, where A team ID equals to B team ID. In outer query output there will be employee ID and team size. To get this team size for each employee, we need to compare A team ID equals to B team ID. This is our B. But in B, there is no team ID. In the inner query output, it's just showing team size. There is no team ID. Then how will compare this? We cannot compare, as in B, there is no team ID. This will be error, right? Hence, option D is wrong. As in the inner query output, there is no team ID. We cannot compare team ID. Hence, we cannot get this digit output. We found option A is correct, option B, option C and option D are false. I already discussed lots of SQL PYQ. Just go through PYQ playlist, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.